how to use Discord Soundboard. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. Now, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. So yeah, let's get started right away. Now, right over here, I have a Discord server. Now, you need to have a Discord server in order to actually do this. So what you want to do is, first of all, join a voice channel in order to use this. Now that I've joined this voice channel, right over here, there are 4 buttons. Now, this one is new, and that is the open soundboard. So you have the turn on camera, share your screen, start an activity, and the soundboard. Now, if you click on here, you have a couple of default sounds from Discord itself. Now here, if you have Discord Nitro, you should also be able to see all of the sounds from the Discord servers that you are in. And you can actually use sounds from different Discord servers in this in other servers. So it's kind of the same with emojis. So here on the left, you could see all your server emojis. And if you have Discord Nitro, you can use different emojis from different servers in other servers as well. So now we are here in the soundboard. You have a couple of default sounds. So these are the ones. So yeah, these are the ones. You can actually give them a star and they'll be added to your favorites as well. So that's actually pretty cool. And right over here, you can see Luke HO's server. And that is right over here where you can click on add sound. You can actually add a sound of yourself. So you can choose a file, give it a name, and add a related emoji, and even change the sound volume, which is pretty nice. And if you don't want to do that in a voice channel, you can actually leave this and then go to server settings. And right over here, you also have soundboard. So let's say I would add this sound over here. So like it says over here, the file should be MP3, so not a WAV file. It can only be 512 KB. And up to 5 seconds. So keep that in mind. Here you can also shorten it and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. Give it a name right over here. I'm gonna call it boing, and then give it like an emoji, and then upload this. Now that we have uploaded that, you can actually go back to your VC, and you can open up the soundboard and actually use this sound right over here. So over here in the soundboard settings, you have 8 slots. So you can actually, have up to 8 sounds in your soundboard. So that is kind of it. I do believe though that if you have more, or if you have server boost, you can actually have more sound. Yeah, over here, level 1, 24 soundboard slots. So that's actually pretty nice. So keep that in mind, that if you have more boosts, then you can actually have more soundboard slots. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.